I'm Desiree Jensen.
And I'm Annabelle Jensen, and we are from the Kingdom Hoofbeats 4-H Club.
We are working to rebuild the horse barns at the Orleans County Fairground. This is a big job to get done, but we are up to the task. As 4-Hers, we see a huge benefit of having a new horse barn.
Our club does lots of community service, including Green Up Day and pony rides at several fun events. Right now, the barns are outdated and need to be rebuilt to keep exhibitors, our horses, and visitors safe. This new barn will aid in the integrity of the fair and bring further events to our area in the form of horse shows, gymkhanas, and in turn bring more customers to our local businesses.
This new barn will also provide winter storage for the locals to store their campers, boats, and more.